Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your existing account on Atlas Earth. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser or the Atlas Earth application, and if you're using your web browser, then type in atlasearth.com in the address bar and press enter. You will then be taken into the official Atlas Earth website. Now from the homepage, if you already have an account and wish to log in, click on the login button at the top right corner. You will then end up within the login portal. Now once you're inside the login portal, if you used your Apple, your Google or your Facebook account to create your account in the first place, then click on the appropriate options and you will be asked to choose your Google, Facebook or Apple account. After logging into your appropriate account on your social accounts, you can simply click on the allow button to allow access to your account and log in through a shortcut. Now if you used your phone number to create your account while signing up, then simply enter your country code first and then type in your phone number. Then click on the send code button and you will receive a login verification code within your phone. Just check this code and enter this within the next screen, and then once you click on the verify button, you will directly be signed into your account. If you are asked to enter your password, just type in whatever password you set while signing up, and then you will be logged in and you can directly start enjoying the Atlas Earth platform. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your existing account on Atlas Earth. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.